What is up, guys? Welcome, well, if the camera wants to cooperate with me, welcome on back to TK's Garage, and welcome back to another Copart walk around. We're out here today in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada, and we're going to be taking a look at a Mercedes Benz S-Class here in a minute that I don't know if it can be saved. All right, guys, so you guys can see this one here. It's a 2015 Mercedes Benz S550. Now this is I know they've changed the body style again on these, but this is this one's actually not as bad as you would think. Now I know you're gonna say, well, look at that front. The rims are all chewed up and the front end is all crushed in here with the crash bar and whatnot, but yeah, that's pretty bad. That is pretty bad, but definitely savable. Now the hood is stuck. Now the windows are busted. Let's take a look at the interior, see if we see any bio or blood. And I don't see any of that. The interior still looks pretty decent. The glass roof broke in that impact. That is ridiculous, and that is going to be insanely expensive to fix. So is the windshield. This could, though, be a solid parts car. I don't see any buckles or anything in this pillar here. This could be a solid parts car. Let me look at this fender. Is this fender even bad? This fender actually looks like it's... Oh no. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it took a significant hit to the front for sure. It got busted. It got busted pretty hard. But that display still looks good. The interior in here still looks good. Like the seats, the interior, all this stuff is swappable. And I'm guessing all the front end parts are here in the rear. Yeah, there you go. Oh, some of those very expensive headlights are here. That is a good savings if any of those are not broken and they still work. Any of these trim pieces that are savable could save you some money. Any of these connectors, all that stuff, modules, all of that's money savings in putting something like this back together. Is it worth it though? Honestly, I guess it would just depend on what it goes for. You know, it's already been up for auction once and it didn't make a ton of money. So you probably could get this thing at a pretty decent value. If an S-Class is your wheelhouse and what you're looking for, then I would say jump all over this one. This is it's being sold through Progressive, so it's an insurance company, so you gotta love that. 575-245-11 Frank. Don't worry about the F, just that number. Drop it in on the website and check it out. And if you're interested in it, I think it would be a pretty decent pickup. I think it could be a decent buy for somebody this is their wheelhouse. Like somebody that does really good body work, you know, that would not be afraid to do something like this. I think somebody could really have a really nice car. And I don't know if 15 was the first year of this body style, but personally, when I look at the new body style versus this body style, I kind of like this body style more than the newest generation that you see out now. And I like it. The tinted taillights, the black rims. It's tasteful. It's got really nice tires. Somebody was taking care of the car, for sure. And someone just had a bad day. They just had a bad day. Anyways, let me know what you guys think about this one here in the comments down below. I wanted to give you guys a bonus video and a dedicated video here, and this one right here I thought deserved it. And yeah, I've never seen a rim like this. See how the rim is completely split in the middle? Like, I want to know what it hit. That's what I'd like to know. I wish I could find out what it actually hit. And if we could get the damn hood to come up. Oh, it said the hood was stuck, but it's not. Okay, we're good. You got the V8 right there. The engine looks like it's good. I don't see any break in that. I bet you the motor's still good. Huh. Well. All right, let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for me. Just a quick bonus video for you guys. This was a featured vehicle that I just wanted to feature. You know, every once in a while when I come out to a Copart, if I see a car that's been sitting for a while, or a vehicle that just deserves a little bit more attention than it may be getting, I like to feature those, and I'll do a video like that. I don't do it all the time, but I do them every once in a while to try to get a car like that a little bit more exposure so that it goes to the right place. Somebody that actually wants to fix it or rebuild it or put it back on the road instead of tearing it apart for parts. I don't know, that's just me. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Hit that thumbs up button if you like what I do, and stay tuned. There are lots more Copart videos as far as walkarounds, rebuilds, and things of that nature coming very soon.
Perfect.